कर, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर। तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर। तू चाहे तो हमें रखे, तू चाहे तो हमें मारे, तू चाहे तो हमें रखे, तू चाहे तो हमें मारे। ओ तेरे आगे झुका के सर खड़े हैं आज हम सारे, ओ सबसे बड़ी ताकत वाले, तू चाहे तो हर आफत टाले। तेरी है ज़मीं, तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर। सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर। थैंक यू।
Very good, Khushi. Now moving ahead with the program, I would like to invite the man who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for his wisdom and knowledge. Our Honorable Principal Sir, Colonel Prem Prakash. Over to you, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my dear parents. Students,
Good evening, sir.
all teachers. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Good evening, sir.
yeah. Good evening. Now today we have gathered on this virtual platform. To share each other's or share our thoughts with the parents and with the new students of nursery and nursery to class 5. Ordinarily, we would have done this offline in school. However, because of the situation that we are in, so we have to do this. And through this program, we are able to share the ethos, the culture, and the general idea you get about school and program, syllabus, and what to be followed over next, few months and the year ahead. This also sets the, pace for the classes. Of course, the new session has started amidst all the tumultuous situation that we are in. But notwithstanding that, I think human spirit shall, win ultimately. And all of us are aware that teachers are working very hard, parents are also working very hard, so are the students. And all of us are not in the best of our mental status, चाहे students हों, teachers हों, parents हों. So there are problems, but notwithstanding that, we are going ahead, with the classes, the online class. And when I join various classes online and I talk to the students, so generally it is good to talk to them and talk to them about what is happening in their home, what is the routine that they are following. I hope they are exercising, keeping themselves fit, mentally as well as physically, and the people at home are, fit. So I'm aware that there are many families, there are problems, but my request to all of us would be that to stay positive, because in case we send positive energy, things will be definitely be better. सकारात्मक ऊर्जा भेजेंगे तो I think we will be much better off. And that is the only way out in the current situation that we are in. And being negative will not help despite all the problems that we have. So that is my humble request to all the parents, to all the teachers, and to all the students, who understand. And so keep up the spirit, keep up the good spirit, and share each other's problem with each other. And when we have these classes, you know, I've requested that off and on talk to the students, have the video switched on in the class, let each other share like you had, on this quality circle thing on Saturday. Invariably we have. So there is an opportunity for students to talk amongst each other, even during normal time. I think when we start the class, start with a prayer, and in every period when the teachers have, आप 2 4 5 मिनट बातचीत कीजिए बच्चों से, वीडियो ऑन भी कर सकते हैं, कनेक्टिविटी की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो, और बातचीत कीजिए. पढ़ाई लिखाई तो खैर होता ही रहेगा और आगे भी सिलेबस भी कवर होंगे, और साथ साथ ओरिएंटेशन की का वेट करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, कोई खास प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कस करने के लिए, और डेली बेसिस पे आप डिस्कस करते रहिए. और सभी को स्कूल का कम्युनिकेशन, फ़ोन नंबर, ईमेल आईडी मेरा सबके पास है, तो आप मेल भेज सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं, व्हाट्सएप मैसेज भेज सकते हैं, and we will try and resolve the problem to our best of our ability. Okay then, thank you. Over to you then, Meenakshi. Thank you and take care. God bless.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now, our Honorable Vice Principal, ma'am,
Thank you,
Miss Manisha Sinha, to address the gathering and to give her valuable inputs to our children who are aspiring to be like her. You have motivated people by being living example, by sharing your expertise and knowledge. I am sure the parents over here also be motivated. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. We already wished each other good evening, children.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Now everyone, keep yourself on mute. Good evening. Good evening.
Meeting.
Okay. Good evening once to all the parents over here, to the children. And at the onset, I would like to thank the parents for choosing Radiant as the teaching learning partner for your students. And I wish to convey it on behalf of the management and the school that we will take perfect care of your children. Uh, just because we were not prepared for the pandemic, so we had thought of meeting you all offline in the first week of April, but unfortunately we could not meet. So we thought that we should at least meet online so that we can both come to the same platform. That is, कुछ हमारी एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपसे पेरेंट, कुछ आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस हमसे होंगी, तो एक आपस में बातचीत होना बहुत जरूरी है, कम्युनिकेशन होना बहुत जरूरी है, ताकि हम लोग एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पे काम करें. And for that, I request that every parent should log in to the school website, and you should read the rules of and regulations of the almanac pages which has been uploaded over there. आप एक बार जब वो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस अल्मैनाक का पढ़ेंगे तो आपको काफी हद तक आइडिया हो जाएगा कि हम स्कूल में क्या करते हैं या क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं बच्चों से, या बच्चों में एक डिसिप्लिन यूनिफॉर्मिटी लाने के लिए हम क्या क्या डिवाइसेस फॉलो करते हैं। नर्सरी एलकेजी यूकेजी के पेरेंट्स, आपके बच्चे भी बहुत छोटे हैं और इनके लिए हम लोग 5 ऑनलाइन मोड में 5 डे क्लास नहीं रखे हैं, बट कुछ ना कुछ टास्क इनको मिलता रहेगा ताकि एक्टिविटीज मिलती रहेंगी, ताकि इनकी इनफॉर्मल लर्निंग जो चल रही है वो चलती रहे। और आपको भी वेलकम है कि आप लोग भी साथ में क्लास में रहें ताकि आप देखें कि बच्चे को टीचर्स क्या सिखा रहे हैं, क्या समझा रहे हैं, थोड़ा वक्त निकालें बच्चों के लिए। Classes 1 to 5, there this is again we have divided the entire year into 4 cycles, and each cycle has lots of activity based tests also, that is different parameters are being checked, about which the details would be given by the coordinator. And these cycle tests, uh, first cycle should end by the month of July, second by the month of September, third by the month of December, and fourth by the month of March. So what we have done this year is we have scheduled all the exams on the Tuesdays, so that when the exams are all concentrated on one at one place, so what happens, the students get a bit pressurized. So what we have done कि we have scheduled it on every Tuesday, ताकि बच्चे आराम से मंडे को सैटरडे संडे पढ़े, मंडे को रिवाइज भी कर लें और ट्यूसडे को एग्जाम दे सके। एंड इन केस ट्यूसडे छुट्टी होगा कभी तो वेडनेसडे को एग्जाम होगा। तो ये तो एग्जाम के बारे में था। Otherwise, one for the parents of classes 3, 4, 5, you will find a difference in the teaching learning process here, because we have in these classes we have removed the EVS books this year, and we are completely shifting to the competency based learning, where the students would be taught through lots of activities, through lots of assignments, role plays, debates, group discussions, and this will create true learners and not students who just mug up things या जो सिर्फ रोट लर्निंग कर रहे हैं। तो यहाँ हम लोग की कोशिश होगी कि उनका नॉलेज बढ़े, वो खुद वो नॉलेज को डिराइव करें, ना कि टीचर लेक्चर दें और वो उसको सुने और फिर उसको जाके रट लें। तो ये हमारी एक कोशिश है। ईवीएस में तो हम कर ही रहे हैं, उसके साथ हमारी ये कोशिश हर सब्जेक्ट में रहेगी कि टीचिंग जो है वो बच्चों के द्वारा निर्धारित हो कि क्या पढ़ाई कैसे पढ़ाई होगी। वो एक से दूसरे में जिसको हम टेक्निकली कहते हैं स्टूडेंट लेड लर्निंग, हम उसकी तरफ हमारा रुझान है इस बार। there since you have admitted the students in the school, some would be the going to the school for the first time, actually not going abhi, to they are attending the classes online only, but we hope that very soon we are able to meet all these students physically. But in the meanwhile, there are some things, if we follow that, we would be able to bring about a sense of uniformity, discipline, and a school like feel even at the homes. And for that, it's a request parents that during the class time the students should be attending the classes wearing the school uniform, even though at home it will make the child फील कि वो स्कूल में है, वो प्रॉपर एक रूटीन बन जाएगा, एक सिस्टम बन जाएगा, तो वो बच्चों के लिए अच्छा होगा। This will also lead to some sort of semblance to the normal living. Second, we understand that these are very tough times, and there would be lots of problems at homes. Uh, but we have a request that if a child is absenting, if a child is not able to attend classes, the reason would be very genuine. But it would be good if you inform the coordinator or the teachers, so that we also know that everything is well. It is just because of this particular reason the child is not attending, because these are very, very difficult times. So we would need the parents to keep informing us about their well-being. Uh, many of the children would have come from different schools. कुछ पहली बार स्कूल आ रहे होंगे, तो आप लोगों की कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस होंगी, कुछ आशाएं होंगी हम लोगों से। और कई बार आपको ऐसा फील भी हो सकता है कि हम तो ऐसा सोचते थे कि ऐसा इस पर्टिकुलर वे में ये चीज कराई जाएगी, पर यहाँ तो ऐसा हो रहा है। आपके सजेशंस, आपके जितने भी सुझाव हैं, जितनी भी आपकी आइडियाज हैं, हम लोग वो सुनना चाहेंगे। हम लोग ये प्रॉमिस नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं कि हम लोग उसको फॉलो करेंगे ही। हम जरूर सुन के उसको हमारी टीम डिस्कस करेगी, जो एकेडमिक टीम है, जो एक्टिविटीज टीम है, सर के साथ बैठ के, और जो भी चीज करेक्ट होगा, फिजिबल होगा हमारे लिए, हम उसको जरूर करना चाहेंगे। तो मेरी गुजारिश है आप सबसे कि बातचीत बनाए रखें, थ्रू ईमेल्स, थ्रू मोबाइल, थ्रू द स्कूल नंबर, थ्रू द कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, क्लास टीचर्स, देयर इज अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, ये सारे चीज के बारे में। एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हमारे बीच में कम्युनिकेशन का जरिया IMS ऐप भी रहेगा, जिसके बारे में आपको थोड़ी देर में और डिटेल में बताया जाएगा। कुछ दिन पहले there was one workshop which was conducted to tell the students about the SDG, that is the Sustainable Development Goals. हम लोग इसमें बहुत सक्रिय रूप से जुड़े हुए हैं, और इसके लिए भी कई बार एक्टिविटीज होती है जो टीचर के थ्रू आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन जाएगा, जिसमें आप अपने बच्चों को पार्टिसिपेट करा सकते हैं। इसके अलावा स्कूल में एवरी थर्सडे हम कोई ना कोई एक्टिविटी बच्चों को कराते हैं, किसी न किसी थीम पे, किसी न किसी डेज पे बेस्ड, कुछ अपने स्कूल के विजन एंड मिशन स्टेटमेंट्स को फुलफिल करने के लिए। या जब भी सॉरी फॉर द नेटवर्क इशू, जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, अगर एक्टिविटीज में नहीं कर पा रहे बच्चे, तो क्लास टीचर को इन्फॉर्म कीजिए। अदरवाइज प्लीज एक्टिविटीज में जरूर पार्टिसिपेट कराएं बच्चों को। आप देखेंगे कि पढ़ाने के दौरान भी हमारी बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज होंगी, क्योंकि अब CBSE भी इस बात पे CBSE का भी की सोच है कि हमारी पढ़ाई में आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन हो, हमारी पढ़ाई बच्चों को कॉम्पिटेंट बनाए। तो हम लोग इस चीज को फॉलो करेंगे, और आप जरूर रेडियंट में एक नए तरह का पठन पाठन का कार्यक्रम देखेंगे, और शायद आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा। और किसी का भी कोई सुझाव हो या कोई सवाल हो मन में, तो इस कार्यक्रम के अंत में हम लोग आप लोगों को मौका देंगे। आप लोग उस समय अपने क्वेश्चंस हम आप पूछ सकते हैं हम लोग से। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग टू मी पेशेंटली। ओवर टू यू, मीनाक्षी।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now let's see the glimpse of the activities.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Mute yourself, students.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Now let's see the glimpse of the activities done by the students of our school in the session 2019-20 and refresh our mind with happy memories. I request Ashish sir to play the video.
गाड़ी कहाँ बता? हाँ यार,
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request our coordinator of Montessori section, Ms. Pushpa Singh, to address the parents. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I am Pushpa Singh, coordinator of pre-primary wing.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Good evening, children.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Please mute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
I welcome you all in the virtual parent orientation program. I would like to share few teaching methodology being implemented by us. In pre-primary wing, we generally focus on learning through play, which is activity-based learning. We focus on reading, writing, speaking, and counting related classwork and activities. We send videos of related topics and practice worksheets. Every week we have Friday activity to develop their fine motor skills. We celebrate different festival, occasion, and color of the month to make children identify the color and make them aware. In Circle Time, we interact with the students on good manner, classroom rule, and different moral values for their personality development. Overall assessment is being done on daily performance of children. We encourage each and every child to participate and perform in different activities and celebration. The syllabus is designed in such a way so as to make it easy for the student to process the information being taught to them. Even the textbooks are so designed that there are fun activities between chapters so that it would make it a lot more interactive for the student to learn the concepts being taught. During offline mode, getting students to participate in various sports, not only it provides physical recreation, but also a sense of teamwork among the student. We assure you about the safety of your ward and we will be taking good care of our children. Thank you. Over to you, Meenakshi.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request Vinod sir to give information regarding IMS app to our new parents. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, Principal Sir. Good evening, Vice Principal, ma'am. Dear teachers and parents. We, Radiant, we are having a website where we can collect the informations related with our school, our organization, in which just I'm sharing this window. Yes, our Radiant having the website that is www.radiantpatna.com, where one can collect the detailed information about the things what we are going or what the things we are having. Where we are having the almanac in electronic form or in digital form, where we can or one can or parent can collect the informations related. Sorry. Hello. Are you getting my voice?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are getting your voice.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. In the Radian website, we are having the detailed information related with the syllabus, our examination system, the scholastic and co-scholastic rules, the different things we are having within this, the contact details, how we can approach the school. From this details, one can be with us, where we can be in touch with us. The details about the school contact details are also there. As well as we are having also one ERP login. ERP login, for the ERP login, each and every parent and student are having their ID and password. They can collect their ID and password with their class teacher. On ERP, to log in the on ERP site, we are having a link. Just I will share it to you. One way is through this Radiant website. We are having at the top right corner, we are having school ERP login. By clicking this, we will go on our ERP login, that is iwsportal.com. Or individually, if we want, we are having the link. This is the link which can be used. I will share it with all of you in the chat window. This is the school website link. This is the ERP website link. And this is the ERP mobile app link from which we can download the app on our cell phones. ERP is having in two modes. One is in website mode or web page mode. Another one is in the form of mobile app, where easily one can collect the information, one can interact with their class teacher in day-to-day basis. Through the ERP login, suppose just I am showing it one sample for the admission number 8746. When you log in with proper email, your user ID and password in the ERP login or Integral Web School login, you will get the screen in this form. You will get the details in this format, where you can collect the information related with the exam results, fees, library, assignment and notification, notice board, day-to-day curriculums, everything you can get it from this place. Suppose one sample I am showing, that is admission number 8745. The student name is Prashista Pankaj. In this way, when you log in ERP site, you will collect the details. In the same manner, you can also install a mobile app for this ERP login on your cell phones. Just I'm showing the ERP login also. And the link is this one. We're using this link. One can also install it. Just I am just showing it, sharing the mobile app screen to you. This is our mobile app. They are also required the same ID and password what we had earlier used in ERP Integral Web School website. There we all student as well as the parents are having one ID and password. They can log in through this. This is the app. Just shown to you. In this way, we can interact with the school through the ERP login as well as the website, and we can collect the information. And it is my humble request to be in touch with the website as well as the ERP app as well as the ERP web page. If any confusion is there, you may ask the question. Anyone, if there is any confusion, just I'm sharing the link in the chat window from where you can install the app as well as you can visit the sites. Just I'm sharing the things in the chat window, the link for the school site. Yes, these all are the link. Yes, any question, any query, please. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Now we can continue.
Thank you, sir.
If there is any confusion, they can also ask the question through the chat. In the chat window, they can put the question.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. SDG, the Sustainable Development Goal, also known as the Global Goals, adopted by United Nations in 2015. I would like to request Ms. Pinky Dayal to give more information about these SDG goals. Over to you, Pinky ma'am.
Is my screen visible, Sharmila ma'am? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. The sand of time has rendered fear. The beautiful sky has become haze. A step with United Nations SDG 2030 to rejuvenate this world. Today, I'm going to tell you all about Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable development is largely about people, their well and equity in their relationship with each other. In a context where nature's imbalances can threaten economic and social stability. The Sustainable Development Goals or Global Goals are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDG were set in 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by 2030. Through the pledge to leave no one behind, countries have committed to fast-track progress for those furthest behind first. That is why SDGs are designed to bring the world to several life-changing zeros, including zero poverty, hunger, AIDS, and discrimination against women and girls. Everyone is needed to reach these ambitious targets. The creativity, know-how, technology, and financial resource from all of the society is necessary to achieve the SDG is in every context. Moving on to the next slide. Is it visible? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, student, fine. The Sustainable Development Goals to transform the world are, these are the Sustainable Development Goals: no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequality, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institutions, partnership for the goals. There are reasons to keep pushing on the sustainable development goals. More children are surviving. Child death declined by nearly 50% from year 2000 to 2017. We can end poverty. In fact, extreme poverty has dropped to just 10% of the world population. Hunger is on the rise. Children are going to bed without the food they need, and that is not okay at all. Nearly in 9 in 10 people now have access to electricity to power their future. Most people in the world now have access to power in order to study at night, cook food, and run their businesses. Climate change is running faster than we are, but it's still a race we can win. Everywhere, everyone deserves equal right. We can move from the world as it is to the world we want, but it won't happen by accident. It will happen through action only. So, join us to achieve a sustainable future by participating in the Thursday activity of Radiant International School. Thank you so much, everyone. Over to you, Meenakshi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the information. Now, I would like to request our coordinator of classes 1 to 3, Ms. Sharmila Ghosh, to address the parents. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Good evening, one and all present here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Good evening, all. I
Good
hope
evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Good evening, all of you. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Oh,
Good evening,
okay. Good
ma'am.
evening, all. Good evening.
Good
Good
evening, ma'am.
evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, now
Good
please
evening.
mute yourself. Good evening, all. Yeah. I hope and wish you all are fine and safe at home. Well, actually, we are expecting to meet you all physically in school campus, but the present scenario did not allow to us to do the same. So today, we are here virtually to connect each other. At present, we have to continue with online classes only. Respective class teachers are there to guide the students in each and every respect. But we know that without your support and guidance, we cannot get success in this teaching learning process. As VP ma'am said already, we have 4 cycle tests throughout the year. And in each cycle, we have 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 already we have started on every Tuesdays. Yes, some of the students are facing problem in uploading the answers during the test. And we are trying to solve this problem at the same time. Okay, apart from this, we are providing videos, notes, worksheets, assignments to the students time to time. One request to you all parents that please motivate your child to participate in all the activities, especially Thursday activities. And if you have any problem, please let us know as earliest so that we can sort out the problem immediately. We are always with you for any queries. So let us work together and overcome the situation. Looking forward to meet you all soon. Please take care of yourself and your family. Thank you. Thank you so much. Over to Meenakshi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. As the school shifted from physical classroom to a virtual classroom in the session 2020-21, our next video will give us a brief summary of the school on online mode. I request to Anita ma'am to play the video. Over to you, Anita ma'am. Thank you, Anita ma'am. Now I would like to request our coordinator of classes 4 and 5, Ms. Kumud Singh, to address the parents. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Today we have gathered here. Good evening, children, and no need to repeat it again and again. I have
Good evening, ma'am.
better you. Yes, children.
Good evening,
Listen.
ma'am.
Children,
Good evening,
please
ma'am.
listen what I'm saying. And let your parents also listen.
Good evening, ma'am.
Evening.
Good
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, all. And be quiet, children. Let me speak.
Ma'am.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
I welcome all the newcomers and their parents to the Radiant family. And today we all have gathered on this platform to interact and develop a relationship, which is very important for our children's progress and betterment. We know that we all are going through a tough time nowadays. Children are packed in their house and we all are facing tough time, and the school also has come from the physical mode to the virtual mode, and even in this the parents and the students also are facing very many problems which we are trying to sort out. Regarding academics, BP ma'am and Sharmila ma'am has already told about the cycle test, that there will be 4 cycle tests in July, September, December and March. And these 4 cycles are divided into 2 phases. Each cycle is divided into 2 phases, and this first phase already started. 2 exams are over. This will be conducted each on every Tuesday, and if the Tuesday is holiday, it will shift to Wednesday. Then parents, I would like to tell you that Thursday activities are also very important, or whatever activities we are giving to the children, they must participate in it. It helps a lot in different ways. If I go in details, it will be, the time will be, it will just extend. So I would not go in details. Another thing, what is the parent support? As everything has come on online mode, we need the parent support. The parents are requested to be vigilant during the online classes by randomly monitoring the students, their child. And we would like them to help the children in the activities by helping them to collect the resources easily available at home. And another thing, I would like to request the parents that they must encourage the students to attend the classes in school uniform, which most of the students are not doing. And we are continuously asking them to wear the uniform and sit for the studies. This will bring a feeling of seriousness, and even they will feel as if they are attending the school. Then I would request the parents, as already the students are using mobile phones or the laptops, etc., the gadgets for studies and taking up the assignments and all, they are required, the parents should encourage the students to play some games, not on the video, not on the gadgets. Some other games like chess, they should also play with them. Chess or some kit, what we play on the, they can play something on terrace, etc. Then they should encourage the students to develop the reading habit. And as class 5 students are using pens for the first time, I would request the children as well as the parents to monitor them and to make them write with a gel pen. And lastly, I would say that they must take care of the well-being of the students. And this is all I expect from the parents. Thank you. And over to Meenakshi ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. The assessment of children's and young people's developmental needs is one of the main responsibility of teachers and specialists working with them. The specialists are counselors who identify pupils' strength, interest, and talents. A counselor identifies reasons behind academic failures or difficulties in pupils' functioning. So I would like to request our counselor Advita to share her views. Over to you, Advita ma'am.
Good evening, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and welcome parents. Um, I would like to start this with a line that I've always studied and I really admire this line, which is when you cannot control what's happening, challenge yourself to control the responses that you give to that. Um, and that's where power is, the power that no one can take away from you. uh, Given the recent event, a lot is happening and a lot is changing, so that appears to be spiraling out of our control in terms of changes. Every sector, every line of work, every single life around us is changing in a drastic and dramatic way. That is beyond our contemplation. And as a human, it is our basic response to get panic time to time, to be panic and to be anxious time to time. Well, for first, we have to understand that our young kids, especially the ones in the primary division, they tend to monitor the authority figure. In this case, the parents. So if you get panic, they will get panic. And once, and none of us wants that. None of us wants our kids to get panic. In a most, it is most certainly. If our kids get panic, our most certainly already panic state of mind drives into in an overdose of panic, which we do not want. And in other words, we can also adapt to the changes we first, and the most importantly, we have to learn to accept the things the way they are, because it is the only way to accept the fact that is going around us. So so that eventually we can move on and produce and productively accept the things that is around us and then act rationally. And that is the thing that we happens when we panic. We do not think straight and we do not do the things that we should do in a certain manner. So we need to calm down, rationalize what is important, what is productive, and what is worth putting your attention into. With things happening around us, we have to understand that the kids are also going through a certain changes, uh, because they are out of their routine. The school is going in a different manner, the academic life is changing, the lifestyle is changing. We need to understand at this early stage that they also need help, and you guys need to listen to your kids as much as you can. You need to rationalize, you need to educate, and then you need to inform them. And here in Radiant, we together work as a family to do the same. And we orchestrate a great support system for your kids and for their well-being. So we're taking care of their mental health at a critical level, such as this and such as these events, right from the principals, teachers, and all my colleagues are totally helping everything, totally doing everything to help the kids in every way possible. so that we can all have a support system for the kids for their individualistic needs. We are here to make sure that you get that every student, your child, gets everything according to their basic and individual needs. And they can come to the teachers, they can come to me anytime they want, and we will help them unconditionally, and we will do whatever we can do to help. Thank you so much. Over to you, Meenakshi ma'am.
Thank you, Advita. Now, I'd like to request the parents, if they want to share something, they can, one by one. Parents, if you want to share something, you can share. You can unmute yourself.
I would like to say a few things. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
There are a few concerns. Is it okay if I discuss with you right now? Can I discuss them with you?
Yes, yes.
All right. First of all, thank you so much for having all of us here to interact with you, and with all of you being at home and doing such a fantabulous job there. Thank you so much. First of all, like today in the evening when you started the program, you started with a prayer. Can't we do it every day with our students? Maybe one shlok repeated twice or thrice, but it'll be nice if they start with a prayer every day. Can we do that?
We are doing, ma'am.
No, we are not. Actually, my son is in 5A. We don't start any class with a prayer.
Okay.
Secondly, I find a 45-minute class a little long. I mean, it's at your discretion, but if something can be done to reduce this time span. And one more concern was that since Sanskrit and German are new subjects to the child, we have been given just one class per week. Can we have more classes for them? Because there is a general rush to complete the syllabus with all the subjects, but the children are not, I mean, my son, of course, is not getting the gist of it. So if we could increase the number of classes for Sanskrit, I believe that could be done for German as well. And another thing is that since the whole evening we have been talking about activities, which is a very, very positive approach towards learning. Actually, this is the way a child really learns, not just ends up cramming up. But what I have seen in last 1 month or more is that there are hardly any activities in the class. Their homework is also very mundane, as to copy the or just copy the question answers or do something. There's hardly any activity concerning any of the subjects. The more, I mean, there are many points, but one more thing I would like to, request you here is that since children are in a phase of learning, the teacher can always stop them. I'm sorry, I couldn't get you.
Is it Nikhil's mother?
Yeah, that's me. That's me. Very true.
Oh, good evening.
Good
Yes, ma'am.
evening.
Regarding the activities, I just wanted to tell you, we have chapter-wise activities, but some of the teachers, English teachers, are not well, and other teachers also. Some teachers are not well, or their family members are suffering from COVID. So a little mismanagement is there. Otherwise, we provide the activities, and children are asked to do it. And also we have different types of activities. The subject teachers are not regularized yet. That's why this problem is coming.
All right, fine. Thank you for clearing that out. Thank you. Like, it was very good to see you in person and interact with you. Can the teachers be on camera when they're teaching? It was a very good experience right now when I was talking with you. Can the teachers, while teaching the student, be on camera? Even their cameras are off.
Ma'am, unless they have this network issues, otherwise in between they just they are on camera.
No, they're not. Very few of them are. Very few of them make an effort to be on camera and, to keep their surroundings and the background clean and kind of be there for us like you are right now. It's so nice to see you. But during classes, most of the teachers put their cameras off. That is, I think, not very becoming of a teacher.
Maybe due to network.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am, your point has already reached us before also,
Yes.
and many a times it so happens that because of the bandwidth and the other issues, many a times the teachers are not open, but generally the teachers have been guided and we are taking care of it. Please understand that these are very difficult times right now, and many teachers, even their family members and or they themselves are suffering during this period. So please let things normalize. In many cases there is a problem genuinely where the teachers are more comfortable right now with the cameras off, but very soon, as and when they are getting fine or the things are normalizing at home, they will all be switching on the camera. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the clarification. And there was one more point that I wanted, like children, like I was saying earlier, children are in the learning phase. So it'll be nice if the teachers could stop them and correct their pronunciation. They're going drastically wrong in their pronunciation. For example, the word data, they have been pronouncing it as data, data, data all the time. And I mean, if they could be corrected as and when they go wrong in their pronunciation, because that is one part which, like, if we can't see the papers, at least we can listen to them. But that is also not happening.
No, that will sometimes be difficult because you yourself having the experience of classroom teaching, it breaks the flow. If but the otherwise the teachers would be told to take care, but during the flow it cannot happen many a times. But otherwise, we will definitely point well taken, and we will be asking the teachers to pay more attention to this. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for hearing. Thank you for giving me the time. Thanks, Atar.
Anyone else? Those who want to share something?
Yes, ma'am. This is Pallavi from. My son is from nursery class, so I would like to talk to Ms. Pushpa, ma'am, regarding this. Pushpa, ma'am, very good evening to you. And good evening to everybody. Thank you for giving us a platform where we can share our views and also we get the things what the school want from us. But as one of parent has shared the thing, everything is going on smoothly, and of course there is a net issue also, which we have to take care of it. But regarding this academics, I want to say that please, teachers, whoever is teaching the student, please take care of the pronunciation because we have admitted our ward in an English medium school. Whatever be the class, be it a nursery class, be it a standard 1, 2, 3, the foundation starts from each and every level. So I want the teachers to be very particular of pronunciation because this is what expected from a teacher. We cannot expect good pronunciation from other professionals. But from the teachers, we expect the right pronunciation because this is the what the a child will grab the things from the teacher, and this he will take in further for his further studies, for further everything. So I want to take that teacher has to be very particular of the pronunciations. Most of the time, teacher has a very Hindi medium kind of accent. Sometimes I feel like that I have admitted my ward in a Hindi medium school. So I think why should I have spent so much of bucks in admitting my student in an English medium school? What I'm getting from that? I feel like I'm feeling like, okay, fine, activity is one part, but what about the pronunciation? What about the environment a English medium student has to get from the school? This is what I feel like and has to be taken care of it in future. That's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, ma'am. Anyone else?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
It's
ma'am.
it's Adar's sister. Ma'am, thank you. First of all, thank you so much for this meeting. There is one problem with my brother, ma'am. I would like the teachers to concentrate on the reading. My brother is very weak in reading, so I would like the teachers to concentrate on that.
What is the class
Yes.
and class in which your brother is in? Others.
3C.
Okay, fine. Sharmila, will you like to take up this question?
Yeah, I'm noted. I will just go through the class teachers. Then reading we are doing, ma'am.
Yeah, that is why please explain
Not
that
in
we have
maybe not in
specific said.
regular basis. Yeah.
Huh.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'd like
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
add something. Yes, I wanted to add something, ma'am. I'm Adarsh's
Please go
mother.
ahead.
May I talk to you? Are you listening,
Yes.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, reading practice can be done at home also. And another thing, it's when we are teaching the chapters, we usually make the students to read the chapter first, and then we give the explanation. But it's sometimes it's network issues, sometimes the voice is cracking or the background voice disturb us. But we are giving chance to every student to read. But some students do not read also. And the parents, we request the parents to be there so that if it such happens, they can ask their child to read. Many of the times they remain muted and they don't read also.
Okay, ma'am. From next time, I will take care of that.
Yes, okay. Even at home, you can give small stories to be read.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Anyone else? Okay. Now I would like to call Miss Afsana Ali to give away the vote of thanks to our dignitaries. Over to you, Afsana ma'am.
A very warm good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of Radiant International School, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal sir for his remarkable presence and for his continuous support and guidance for organizing such an event. I would take immense pleasure in thanking our Vice Principal, Manisha ma'am, for being catalyst who always support, guide, and encourage us at every step. I would like to extend my special thanks to all the parents who took out their valuable time to attend this event. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires planning, dedication, and hard work. So I'm extremely thankful to all our teachers for their extra efforts and contributions. Last but not the least, I thank all the wonderful students for joining and making this event a successful one. Thank you and good night. Good night, ma'am. Good night, ma'am.